So this is a Leatherman Raptor. It's not your average pair of scissors. It's basically a life-saving multi-tool built for emergencies.
It's got 6 tools in one. Trauma shears, a ring cutter, a strap cutter with an oxygen tank wrench, glass breaker, and even a ruler. Yeah, it's built for serious situations. These shears slice through just about anything: fabric, leather, seat belts, denim, and the stainless steel construction feels rock solid. Plus, it folds down small and clips right onto your gear or belt. Quick access, built tough. Classic Leatherman quality.
If you're into everyday carry or just like being prepared, this one's a must. Product affiliate link below.